Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to add regions in your configuration file. So regions in the sense we are having a lot of Drupal regions in our Drupal site, right? So we can use those regions to write your steps. So consider you have a page and you have a same text like member or anything. So if you are having the text in multiple regions, but if you want to test the particular text which is available in the header region, in that case you can go with this option, so where you can add the regions to tell Drupal that these are the regions which is available in Drupal. So by using those regions you can write the step based upon that the scenario will be running on. So here when you see your behat.yml file, here you can see extension, right? Under this you are going to add your region. So here you have a Mink extension. So Mink extension, we have lot of extensions. So like zombie, selenium, goat, lot. We are having lot of extensions. So all those are browser emulator which will help you to run your behat testing. And this is Drupal extension which we are going to use here. In this, you have to add a new keyword called region mapping. So I'm giving a name as header for the header region ID. So when you see my site, so here for this, hmm. So here you can see the my account logout, all those are available in the header. So for anonymous, the login button, register button will be available on the header, right? So I'm going to use this ID. So I am mentioning as ash header will be represented as header. And then when you do rush DL, so you have a lot of steps, right? So let me copy paste and show you the step which contain regions. So here you can see we have regions. So when I press button or when I click on any link, so I have used this. When I click login in the region of header. So when I click login in the region of header, I am at the path. Then I should be at the path of user slash login. Then I should be at the path of user slash login. So this header region variable is defined here. So hash of header is the ID of the particular element. So when I run behat testing, so you can see click content in a region. When I click login in a header region, I should be at the path of user slash login. So our test is working fine. So this is how you can add all the region in your Drupal extension. So you can add like next footer. So what is the ID? You can add n number of regions here and you can use it here. Okay. So, and that's it about today's video. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.